Today, we're diving into the most mysterious and classified project of the U.S. Air Force, the F-47. This isn't just another new aircraft, it's the world's first sixth-generation fighter jet, and officially, almost nothing is known about it. Though Donald Trump once accidentally let it slip that it's been flying for a while. Was that a mistake or an intentional signal? In this video, I'll show you everything I've managed to gather. Analysis of leaks, satellite images, Pentagon statements, and a photo of a tailless Delta Wing aircraft taken near the South Hangar at Area 51. Yes, that Area 51. The F-47 isn't just a jet. It's a shadow, one that's likely already flying combat missions. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll show you the image that made me question everything I thought I knew about the F-47. Stick around till the end, because there's something there we probably weren't meant to see at all. The F-47 is the foundation of the NGAD program and the future replacement for the F-22 Raptor. It's a sixth-generation fighter jet built from the ground up for modern warfare, incorporating artificial intelligence, stealth technology, automated systems, and deep integration with other aircraft and drones. Its avionics are so advanced that piloting is just one of its many functions. Rumors suggest that the F-47 is already undergoing field testing. It's capable of operating independently or in coordination with drones that support it in the air, for reconnaissance, cover, or strikes. Among the aircraft's capabilities, full radar stealth, manned or unmanned operation modes, 360-degree awareness via sensor systems, the ability to deploy laser weapons, potential hypersonic speed. The name F-47 isn't about Trump. It references the P-47 Thunderbolt, a legendary World War II aircraft, a nod to the past and a step into the future. And now, the key detail. A photo from July 30th, 2023, captured the silhouette of a Delta Wing tailless aircraft near the South Hangar at Area 51. At first glance, nothing unusual. Hangars, buildings, but then it. And the question arises, why is it there? The aircraft's outline in the photo almost blends into the background. It wasn't exactly hidden, but it also wasn't intentionally revealed. Judging by the size of the hangar, it's smaller than the B-2 Spirit with its 172-foot wingspan, but significantly larger than the F-22 or F-35, whose wingspans are around 43-46 feet. The F-47 likely has a wingspan of approximately 59-72 feet. A tailless design, Delta Wing, and smooth contours all point to a sixth-generation fighter. It could be an X-44 demonstrator, an aircraft from the NGAD program, or an early prototype of the F-47 itself. Considering it has already been officially unveiled, the most logical assumption is that this is the F-47 undergoing flight tests. It doesn't operate alone. It's part of a new combat ecosystem. It's accompanied by autonomous drones performing reconnaissance and electronic warfare attacks. This combination is the foundation of air combat in the future. The F-47 is equipped with an optional unmanned mode. It can fly with a pilot or fully autonomously. Artificial intelligence doesn't just assist, it can fully replace the pilot during high-risk missions. The aircraft features new twin-spool turbofan engines with flat nozzles, optimized for stealth and sustained supersonic cruise, known as Super Cruise. According to some reports, it's capable of speeds exceeding Mach 5, potentially making it the first stealth fighter with hypersonic capability. The F-47 features internal weapon bays with a modular system, long-range air-to-air missiles, ground attack munitions, electronic warfare tools, and likely prototypes of low-power laser weapons. Combined, hypersonic speed, stealth, autonomy, and flexible armament create a platform that leaves even the best fifth-generation jets behind. This isn't evolution, it's a technological leap that changes the very logic of air warfare. The F-47 has a fully integrated 360-degree sensor system that fuses radar, infrared sensors, and cameras into a unified augmented battlespace view. The The pilot can see through the fuselage thanks to a next-gen helmet costing over $400,000 with targeting, navigation, and augmented reality capabilities. In high-stress conditions, the onboard artificial intelligence takes over part of the control functions. The F-47 has fully modular weapons. Inside the fuselage, it carries AIM-260 air-to-air missiles, air-to-ground weapons, electronic warfare systems, and advanced defensive laser systems currently in testing. In terms of size, the F-47 is larger than the F-22 and closer to the B-21 Raider, which is about 66 feet long with a wingspan of roughly 89 feet, but with a more compact delta shape and no vertical stabilizers. This reduces radar cross-section and enhances stealth performance. The power plant consists of two next-generation turbofan engines with flat nozzles and supercruise capability, allowing sustained supersonic flight without afterburners. All of this gives the F-47 not only stealth, but also a significant advantage in speed, precision, and situational awareness on the battlefield. We're already seeing new technologies gradually introduced on other platforms. The U.S. Navy is testing lasers to intercept drones. It's logical that the Air Force is moving in the same direction. And the F-47 could be the first aircraft to combine all these breakthrough technologies in a single fuselage. This isn't just a combat machine. Thanks to satellite communication, cloud-based data processing, and full integration into combat systems, the F-47 becomes an airborne command center. It doesn't just carry out missions, it coordinates drones, manned aircraft, and ground forces. It sees everything, analyzes, and makes decisions autonomously. Its equipment is on another level: 360-degree sensor coverage, augmented reality in the pilot's helmet, and artificial intelligence that adapts in real time. It's not just an assistant, it's a digital co-pilot. Everything works as a unified system that gives the pilot full control of the situation. And all of this is just what's known from open sources. The rest is classified. But even these fragments suggest this isn't just an evolution of fifth-generation aircraft. It's a leap forward. The F-47 likely has capabilities we don't even suspect yet. Against this backdrop, the photo from Area 51 looks entirely different. What did we see? A mock-up, a test article, or perhaps an aircraft that just returned from a mission? One of the most likely scenarios is testing under near-combat conditions. The U.S. has long tested new technologies in localized conflicts. The F-47 may have already carried out reconnaissance, electronic warfare, or even strike missions, all while remaining invisible. Its appearance in the photo may have been accidental or intentional. Such leaks test the reactions of adversaries, the public, and allies. There have been cases before where the newest U.S. systems first appeared not at parades, but in satellite images. If the F-47 is already operational with a working infrastructure and platform, that's a major breakthrough. While China and Russia are still designing, the U.S. may already have a real sixth-generation combat aircraft. This matters not just for the military, it's a signal. Global security depends on air superiority, and the U.S. may maintain it not just through force, but through technology. So the key question is the F-47 already flying? Probably, yes. Officially, no. But everything points to testing being underway, and possibly some missions already being carried out. We are at the dawn of a new era. The F-47 may redefine the very concept of aerial combat, with autonomy, intelligence, and future-ready technologies. Stay tuned and tell me, is the F-47 already in the sky? Or is this just the calm before the storm?